Hello and welcome to this new video, where we'll explain everything about the engine fault message, repair needed on Peugeot and Citroën vehicles. What does this message mean? This message appears when the engine control unit detects a fault affecting the injection system, the emissions control system, or engine sensors. It may appear with or without the engine warning light, and the consequences will vary depending on the severity of the issue and the vehicle model. Engine fault, repair needed without power loss. If the message appears but your car shows no obvious loss of power, you can usually continue driving cautiously for a short distance. To avoid any risk of damage or the vehicle entering limp mode, we recommend running a diagnostic as soon as possible. Engine fault, repair needed with power loss. If you feel jerking during acceleration, a clear drop in power, or irregular engine operation, it is recommended to stop the vehicle as soon as possible. What to do depending on your vehicle model. Peugeot 208 and 308. This message may sometimes appear due to a minor issue, such as a faulty sensor. If the engine is still running normally, you can drive to a workshop without immediate danger. Peugeot 508. On this model, DPF, diesel particulate filter, or EGR valve issues are common. If you notice a loss of power, stop as soon as possible and call for roadside assistance. Citroën C4. This message may be displayed due to a fault in the injection system or the lambda sensor. If the engine runs normally and there's no power loss, you can drive cautiously to a garage, but do not delay the repair. Citroën C5 and Berlingo. On these models, the engine fault message is often related to DPF or injection issues. A loss of power is a critical sign, in which case you must stop quickly and avoid further driving. Most common causes of the engine fault, repair needed message. An ignition problem, spark plugs, coils or injectors. A clogged EGR valve. A blocked DPF, diesel particulate filter. A faulty lambda oxygen sensor. What are the fault codes associated with the engine fault, repair needed message? P0171, air fuel mixture too lean. P1430, secondary electric air pump failure. C1104, front hydro valve solenoid, intermittent circuit. U0074, ECU communication bus B, delta bus deactivated. Please note this list is not exhaustive. Fault codes may vary depending on the engine, model and year. How to find the source of the problem? Use an OBD two-car diagnostic scanner. To accurately diagnose the issue and identify the exact cause of the message, the most reliable solution is to use a diagnostic scanner. Visit a professional mechanic. If you don't have a diagnostic scanner or are unsure how to interpret the results, it is best to consult a professional. How to clear the engine fault, repair needed message. Clear the engine fault using an OBD diagnostic scanner. The safest method to clear the engine fault, repair needed message or switch off the engine warning light is by using an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. Connect the scanner to the OBD port. Erase the fault codes and restart the vehicle. Reset the message without a diagnostic scanner. Disconnect the battery. If you don't have a diagnostic scanner, disconnect your vehicle's battery for around 10 to 15 minutes. This may allow the system to reset and remove the message and warning light at restart. However, this is a temporary solution and does not guarantee that the issue has been resolved. Let the system reset itself. If the issue was minor and temporary, the message may disappear on its own after several start cycles, once the system has confirmed that everything is working correctly. Feel free to like and share this video and subscribe to our social media channels. See you soon.